Hello everybody, welcome back to another Recoverit video. Recoverit by Wondershare is the go-to solution for retrieving lost data from storage devices, regardless of how it gets lost. We're here once again to offer you top-notch tips for tackling your data recovery issues. Oops, have you accidentally deleted files from a USB drive? Don't worry, this video will explore the comprehensive process of recovering USB drives so that you can retrieve your deleted files. Join us as we explore step-by-step instructions to rescue your lost data. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and engage with us throughout this journey. So, let's get started. Have you ever wondered what causes data loss on USB drives? Well, sometimes it's accidental deletion, while other times your free flash drivers may have become corrupted due to various factors. So, let's explore the common reasons behind data loss on USB drives. Firstly, there's mechanical damages. USB drives are fragile devices, especially the USB connectors, which are notably sensitive. Exerting undue force when inserting or unplugging the drive can result in the breakage of the USB stick, in the connector snapping or fracturing, amongst other things, rendering the drive inoperable. Then there's viruses and malware. The portability of USB drives can make them vulnerable to malware. When you connect your drive to a different computer, it could pick up a virus or malicious software. These programs can then corrupt files, damage the operating system, and even wipe the data on connected drives. Overheating's another reason. While modern USB sticks are designed to handle higher temperatures, older models can be more susceptible to heat damage. Overheating can melt soldering joints, destroy critical components, and permanently damage the USB connectors. And finally, accidental file deletion. Human errors commonly result in data loss, such as neglecting to save a crucial file, inadvertently closing an application without preserving alterations, or deleting a file without grasping its significance. Now, are you someone wondering how to recover deleted files from a USB drive for free? Or are you in search of how to recover deleted files from a flash drive? Well, here are 3 methods you can try. If you're accustomed to troubleshooting issues on a Windows computer independently, you've likely already utilized CMD, short for command prompt. This function executes commands and performs administrative tasks. This versatile tool, though, can also assist in recovering files lost from formatting, deletion, corruption, or virus infections. We recommend trying this method for USB data recovery first because it doesn't cost anything and you don't need any extra tools or fancy settings. Simply connect your USB stick to your computer, press the Windows and R key to open the Run dialog box, type CMD in the search box and press Enter. Then enter check disk followed by the letter of your USB drive /F and press Enter. Then type attrib-h-r-s/s/D followed again by the letter of your USB drive, :*:* and press Enter. Now wait for the process to complete. Once it's finished, you should find all of your recovered files in a new folder on your USB drive. These files may have a .chk extension, which you can rename and then save to another location. Windows boasts several invaluable backup functionalities that are integrated into its latest operating systems. Notable among these are File History, akin to Time Machine on Mac OS, which offers seamless restoration, and Restore Points, which provides a safety net for your system. If you have one of these features turned on, you can easily recover deleted files from a USB drive by going back to an earlier version. Connect your USB flash drive to your computer, open the Start menu and type this PC and select Enter on your keyboard. Right-click on your USB flash drive and click on Properties. Then go to Previous Versions tab and look at the list of available retrieval options. Select the previous version and click Restore. If there are no previous versions available, then we would recommend you move to the following method for USB drive data recovery. Open the File Explorer and navigate to the location on the USB drive where your deleted files used to be. Right-click on the folder where the lost files were that you want to retrieve, then select Restore Previous Versions from the context menu. In the Previous Versions window, you will see a list of available restore points or previous versions of the file for USB drive recovery. With these methods, you can recover files from a USB drive without the need for additional software. Remember though to handle your files with care and always keep backups to avoid data loss in the future. Feeling like you've hit a dead end though with these lost files? Fear not, there is one more method waiting for you. Recoverit. For those seeking an additional solution, this powerful tool can retrieve lost or deleted files from USB drives effortlessly. Simply visit the official Recoverit website, download and install the USB data recovery software for your Windows PC, then after installation, open up Recoverit, insert your USB drive into your computer, click on the External Devices Recovery option. Now, from the list that Recoverit displays, pick your USB drive, click Start to initiate the scan. For detailed searching, you can choose the all-round recovery option. After the scan has finished, browse through the recovered files, preview them to ensure that they are the ones that you need for flash data recovery, then select the files that you want to retrieve and click on the Recover button. Bear in mind that Recoverit boasts support for over 1,000 types and formats of lost and deleted files, solidifying its position as a dependable option for data recovery across a plethora of storage devices, including USB drives. Whether you've inadvertently deleted files, formatted the drive, or encountered other data loss scenarios, Recoverit stands ready to assist in the retrieval of your invaluable data. So, as we wrap up our guide on USB drive recovery, we hope that you've gained some valuable insights about how to recover USB drive deleted files. Remember, accidents happen, but with the proper knowledge and tools, you can usually salvage your precious data. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave us a comment sharing your thoughts and experiences. Subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this, and be sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for joining us on this journey of USB file recovery. Until next time, stay safe and keep your files backed up.